Like, just for the sake of this video, I'm about to go ahead and reset. I'm about to reset my hair. I just did the previous video, nigga, what I'm trying to say. I had my hair up in the ponytail already, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair down. Look, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, if y'all want the edited version of my intro, if y'all want the edited videos, make sure you click the first link in the description to my second channel. Go subscribe, bro. We have 500 subscribers currently. By the end of this month, we should be at 1,000. By the end of this month, of this channel, we should be at 28,000. You dig what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna need y'all to do right now, if you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below, and turn on post notifications. I need 28,000 by the end of this month, and I need 1,000 for my second channel. So after you get done watching this video, my guy, first link in the description, go check it out for all the edited videos and vlogs, this and the third. But y'all, we are coming with I'm gonna give y'all 5 hairstyles for y'all dreads, anything like that. I know y'all be needing ideas and stuff like that, so this is what type of video we rocking with today. Daily uploads also, y'all. Hey, you ain't gotta daily uploads, my guy. All right, first hairstyle is the 2-strand twist. You know what I'm saying? I had my 2-strand twist in for 2 months already. I just did the previous video before this. I just did a 2-month 2-strand twist update where I talked more about the 2-strand twist and how my new growth and things like that, and my struggles, the positives, the pros and the cons of having a 2-strand twist. You dig what I'm saying? But overall, man, the 2-strand twist is like one of the best hairstyles that you can have, period, my nigga. Period. Alright, so if you have dreads or if you don't have dreads, you can get 2-strand twist. But for like a protected style, and also it protects, it keeps my retwist fresh too. You know what I'm saying? So it really strengthens up my retwist, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it's been 2 months, but at the same time, not my new growth. You can see my new growth, but at the same time, like the bottom part where she retwisted it, that's still kind of strong, you know what I'm saying? So when I untwist it, the roots are still gonna look kind of fresh, you feel me? And that's a positive about the 2-strand twist that I did not say in my last video. All right, so that's the first one. All right, you know what I'm saying? So the second one is my seashell. Yes, I got it written down on my phone. I already know what time it is. The second one is my seashell. You know what I'm saying? This could count as a hairstyle by itself, having seashells in your hair, or having these in your hair. You know what I'm saying? These are called like dread jewelry. This and that and third. I would put this on like a back one. You know what I'm saying? Hold up, let me get closer for y'all. Y'all, they be dancing. You can't even see it. They be dancing too much. But nah, no cap. Like, I would put this in the back. You know what I'm saying? I would put this one in like the front and stuff like that. But these are dread jewelry. They're probably gonna run you like 75 cents. I don't know, bro. I just bought them. You know what I'm saying? I bought them like, when did I buy them? Excuse me. When did I buy them? Like 2-3 weeks ago, I bought them. So you know what I'm saying, this could be another hairstyle for you, you know what I'm saying, your dread jewelry. I got a seashell, bro, because I mess with nature, you know what I'm saying. A person that asked me, they're like, why you got a seashell in there? I'll be like, look, bro, first off, I mess with the water, and that's period. You get what I'm saying? I mess with water, like anything with water in it, I mess with it. You feel me? So I mess with the water, I mess with nature. Second one. Alright, I said the second one. The third hairstyle that you can have when you have dreads or any type of hairstyle, look, bro, it's banging, period. You feel me? It's the ponytail. Hey, look, man, we don't recreate the wheel. You know what I'm saying? We don't recreate anything, man. We just go with the flow. You feel me? So it's the ponytail. I know a lot of people mess with the ponytail. This and that. I gotta get my ponytail straight. Is it? But now, like when I have my ponytail in, bro, I know this ain't much. I know, like, you can double it, this and that and third. I don't want to double it. You feel me? I ain't doubling it. I ain't wrapping it. Nah, we not tying it tight. You know what I'm saying? I'm tying it loose, especially if you have like a tight rubber band or a tight rubber band like I got on my head, bro. I'm not tying it tight. You feel me? So let me get the thumbnail right quick. So yeah, that's and I'll keep this one down. I keep me a little bang in the front. You know what I'm saying? Plus I got a seashell on the bang, and y'all can have y'all dread jewelry on the bang. This and then the third. But yeah, this is the third hairstyle that y'all can have for y'all dreads. And yo, man, it's very simple. Like I said, I'm about to show y'all, like, y'all could double up the rubber band, even though I wouldn't do it. Nah, this joke about to pop if I double it up. This is the third hairstyle. The fourth hairstyle is you could, okay? You could have both of them up. I don't necessarily rock this hairstyle a lot. I rock this 2 strand twist down. You feel me? Most of the time when I go outside, I be having my headband on. This and then the third. When I play sports, you feel me? I might even, I'm gonna add this one in for a bonus for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna get 6 hairstyles instead of 5. But you could have both of them on the side. So you got one ponytail over here. And like I said, man, I'm not showing y'all nothing, you know what I'm saying? Nothing, oh my God, like, you know what I'm saying, too new. But I'm just getting this back into y'all mind that y'all can do all this type stuff with y'all dress, and y'all ain't gotta keep it simple like everybody else. You can have 2 ponytails. Now, they can be going down to the side. Like most people be having wigs. Now, look, I know this hairstyle don't look right on me, my guy. I don't even rock it. Or you can have it going up as well. Now, look, another thing is I can't really put my hair in the ponytails like that because my hair is so heavy right now because they're in the 2 strand twist. But that could be another hairstyle that you guys could do because my hair is in the 2 strand twist, so it's like really heavy. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna fall down just like when you see it in the first one. It kind of fell down. But yeah, man, it's in the 2 strand twist. All right, so look, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the bonus one because my 5th hairstyle is kind of like the same thing where you can have just one of them up like this. You feel me? Have you up, but like I just told y'all, it's not gonna go up because of because my hair is heavy. But you can have your little juice whirl. You dig what I'm saying? So have you one up like this. Had to get that quick thumbnail for you. Alright, so this is a bonus, alright, because I play sports, you know what I'm saying, I go outside, I go outside a lot, period, you feel me? So when I do go outside, I take my dreads, bro. First off, you gotta put it around your neck, just because of the simple fact, like, if you don't, it's gonna be more difficult. I wear it like a mask. No, this would be a hard mask, though. This would be a hard mask though, don't count. Nah, but I don't wear this like a mask though. That's tough. I wear this exactly like this, you know what I'm saying? If you playing football or something like that, you know what I'm saying? You playing 2-hand touch, flag, you outside with your homies, you dig what I'm saying? Or you playing soccer really, bro. This will really help you in soccer too because all you gotta do, this will push your dreads back like that. And yeah, so that'll push your dreads back like that, but I got my thumbnail, man. I got to. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get the thumbnail. But anyways, y'all, look, alright, so the reason I say this is good for sport, I said for sport. Can't really talk. I got the bands in my mouth, but the reason I say this is good for sports, bro, because one thing, bro, when you got your dreads and you running crazy, your dreads be smacking in your eyes and stuff like that, and they be smacking your forehead. It's just a lot with dreads, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of things that you don't really think about if you don't have dreads. But if you have dreads, then you understand. And the reason I have my seashell right here is because if I have my seashell outside of my dreads, not outside of my dreads, outside of my headband, it's gonna be really heavy and it can potentially come back down and hit my face really hard. So I use my headband to make the seashell one or my bang like stay put. But like I was saying, you know what I'm saying, this really gonna help you with your dreads when you outside, especially if you playing soccer, you know what I'm saying, you going up for a header. You can actually hit the head, you can actually hit the ball with your head instead of hitting the ball with your dreads or hitting the ball with your hair, you know what I'm saying? But I'm pretty sure like a lot of soccer people, they wrap their hair up or whatever y'all do. That's it for this video. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. It's going to be daily uploads on this channel. Alright, three uploads per week on my second channel. So make sure you click the first link in the description and go subscribe to my second channel. I'm gonna catch y'all later, bro. Peace.